many people are here. Thank you so much for joining everyone. Uh, First of all, लाइव वीडियो बनाने का मकसद ये था to just pay my thanks, a wholehearted thank to each and everyone from across the globe जिन्होंने वीडियो कंपटीशन में मेरी हेल्प की, जिन्होंने वीडियो प्रमोशन की ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, लाइक मेरे दोस्त, कोलीग्स और इवन यूनिवर्सिटी फेलोज़, टीचर्स. Thanks to everyone from my heart, and I cannot be more thankful to everyone for liking, commenting, and sharing my video and sharing my message to everyone. Because वीडियो बनाने का मेन मकसद और कैंपेन में हिस्सा लेने का मेन मकसद ये था कि जो एग्जैक्ट मैसेज है, जो कैंपेन का भी मकसद था, उस मैसेज को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुँचाया जाए. एंड आई एम हैप्पी टू शेयर दैट it is also getting engagement on Twitter as well. आज मैंने ट्विटर पे पोस्ट किया बिकॉज इट्स वर्ल्ड ड्रग्स डे, तो मैंने ट्विटर पे भी लगाया एंड इट्स एक्चुअली गेटिंग very high engagement on Twitter, as well as it is the most doable and the right platform to share these sort of things, as I believe and I have seen. So coming on to the results are that I have lost a competition, and sharing that I am sorry to everyone, as it was up to the organizers in that case, unless the criteria which they have mentioned. Coming on to that, just sharing around that, I got an email from the organizers to clarify about my video that why was it getting more likes and pump yesterday. So that was the summary of their email which I got yesterday. And those were the indirect accusation or allegations of getting paid boost, etc., which I clarified in a very detailed email. It was that much detailed that I have never written that much detailed email to anyone, because the emails for the work purposes never require that much detail. But for just clarifying and justifying my the accusation which was on me, that I might have got the paid boost or whatever you may call that, that I clarified that, and I actually got a good response from the organizers. So I just had to remind all of you who are watching and where it will be shared, and again to the organizers, that there is no tool or a policy to catch those who get paid likes unless the video is being boosted by the one who is the owner. So the organizers were the owners of that, so I cannot actually boost those. Like, I am running my own page, so I know how boosting goes. So one thing, and they have also posted on their page that which I saw in the morning, that due to unusual likes, inactive IDs, and suspicious people, they actually disqualified my video, and they actually deleted the video, which was like when I woke up after seeing that my video wasn't there, I was seriously like, oh my god, are you kidding me? Like, they actually deleted my message. So they actually breached their own saying that these videos are for the guideline to people, to aware the society, to aware people at large. But they actually deleted my video, which was actually engaging and urging the government of Pakistan directly that you need to make policies around that drug thing and the people who are actually into the addiction of drugs. So again mentioning that there is no perfect tool to identify those, but mere assumptions or whatever. I don't know what the organizers have. They might have pressure or whatever, I don't know. I'm not going into that, and I rather do not make assumptions on that. And just moving on, that we, like I always say, कि हमें हर चीज़ से अच्छी चीज़ें ग्रैब करनी चाहिए. वीडियो कैंपेन थी, लोगों तक चीज़ें गई, लोगों ने सुना उसको, वीडियो को प्रमोट किया, माशाल्लाह काफ़ी लोगों ने वीडियोस दिए. एक ही विनर होना था, नो एक्चुअली ऑब्जेक्शन ऑन दैट, एंड नथिंग पर्सनल ऑन दैट, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. तो हर चीज़ में से अच्छी चीज़ निकाल लेनी चाहिए. तो इसमें एक चीज़ ये थी कि मेरे पास रात को डिफरेंट स्क्रीनशॉट्स भी आए, बिकॉज लाइक the world is very small, and development sector उससे भी छोटा है, because I've been in that since many years, so I know you have many mutuals in everyone's list. So I got a screenshot from the winner's profile that he posted last night, midnight actually, that he was asking for some mental help and legal as well to actually I don't know what he had written actually, but it was he was asking for the mental and legal help as well. So it was very saddening to be honest, and it was hilarious at the other end because come on dude, it was merely 40 USD, 40 US dollars. I don't want to like show myself very cool in that, but merely $40, 7,000 rupees. But I was very sad over that. It actually went to affected the mental health of his, and I'm sorry for that if it actually happened due to my videos bump, and if I got more likes and reactions on the post. So I can only say sorry for that. And again, very seriously notifying the people who messaged me. They are very dear to me and they always stood with me. They actually messaged me that why did you participate in the video campaign, which was actually from the third class organization. No name of the organization. They have never heard of that organization. Neither I actually, because I didn't know that this some organization of this named work in Karachi or Hyderabad. Even I'm not sure about that as well. So one of my friends just shared that post that you do make videos and you should make some videos for the awareness. So that is what I did. But very seriously guys, थर्ड क्लास ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होना या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का नाम होना ज़रूरी नहीं है। जो चीज़ ज़रूरी है वो ये है कि वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अगर किसी चीज़ के लिए काम कर रही है, किसी कॉज के लिए काम कर रही है, तो वी शुड एक्चुअली प्रमोट दैट थिंग, वी शुड एक्चुअली सपोर्ट दैट। जिसका भी इनिशिएटिव है, जो भी है उसके पीछे जो भी काम कर रहा है उसके ऊपर दे आर पिंग देयर आवर्स, टाइम लगा रहे हैं, मेहनत लगा रहे हैं। इन दिस पैंडेमिक बहुत सारी चीज़ें ख़राब हो गई हैं, सब कुछ घर से करना पड़ रहा है। लाइक आई ऑलवेज़ मेंशन, बहुत सारे लोगों की रूटीन्स ख़राब हो गई हैं, बट दे आर एक्चुअली स्ट्रगलिंग। तो जो स्ट्रगल कर रहा है उसको बिल्कुल इस तरह के नाम देना और ये बिल्कुल अच्छी बात नहीं है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट। And this is not good. I have never led my followers and my friends and colleagues into this. I have never said this to them. And this sort of thinking, the promotion of these sort of thinking are not good. And the main thing is that purpose should be served, and I think it actually did. Like I got many likes and promotion on the video, many other videos. There were pictures and animated videos as well, which actually got a good hike in likes and everything, and the reach as well. So एंड पे यही कहना चाहूँगा कि हमें कलेक्टिव काम करना है। हम बिल्कुल ये ना सोचें कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कहाँ से है, कहाँ से नहीं है, कौन जीत रहा है, कौन हार रहा है। तो थोड़ा सा इससे आगे हमें अब बढ़ना है। जो भी जीत रहा है, जो भी हार रहा है, इट्स मैटर ऑफ अ कंपटीशन, बट द मेन थिंग के हमें कलेक्टिव काम करना है और मेन अपनी जो आवाज़ है वो लोगों तक पहुंचानी है, मेन अथॉरिटी स्टेक होल्डर्स तक पहुंचानी है, ना कि हम आपस में लड़ झगड़ कर और इस तरह की मेंटल इलनेसेस में जाएं। अगेन आई एम सॉरी टू द पर्सन हु गॉट इनटू दैट। तो मेरा बस यही मैसेज था। एंड अगेन थैंक यू सो मच टू एवरीवन फॉर सपोर्टिंग मी, एंड आई एम सॉरी कि उन्होंने वीडियो डिलीट कर दिया है। अब वो प्रोफाइल्स पे शो नहीं हो रहा, लिखा आ रहा है कि द वीडियो माइट हैव डिलीटेड और डिसेबल्ड वट। तो आई एम सॉरी फॉर दैट अगेन। और आई थिंक मैंने सारे लोगों के कमेंट्स का जवाब दे दिया था, बट इफ़ आई मिस्ड एनी वन ऑफ यू देन आई एम सॉरी फॉर दैट एज़ वेल। सो एक्सेप्ट माई अपॉलॉजीज़ एंड keep sharing and keep awareing the society, and thank you so much for your support. This is all.